Hello friends, Jai Swaminarayan. I am Rajendra Patel, 6th English medium, subject Maths, chapter 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Friends, today we are going to study about the fundamental for exercise 4.6. In exercise 4.3, we studied about line segment. 4.4, we studied about triangle. 4.5, we studied about quadrilateral. And in next exercise 4.6, we are going to study about circle. So friends, what is the fundamental about circle? So look here friends. First, what is circle? So you can see in the figure, this is a circle. But what is the definition of circle? A circle is made up all the points which are equal distance from a fixed point. Suppose here one fixed point O, and from O here E, X, E, A, B and M all are same distance. If I join all this point, then it's become a circle. The definition of circle, again, a circle is made up of all the points which are equal distance from a fixed point in a same plane. Here fixed point is the circle of a circle. Here fixed point is the center of the circle. Here O is a center of circle. Now what is radius? Friends, you can see in the figure, here OA is equal to radius. So what is the definition of radius? Directly, a line segment whose both end point, from one end point is the center of the circle and other end point is any point of a circle. Then this line segment is known as radius. In this figure, OA is radius. Other definition, fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. But which fixed distance? The fixed distance between center and point A, otherwise point X. OX is also radius. OA is also radius, OB is also radius, OC is also radius. All the radius of a circle are equal distance. So, fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. What is circumference? Friends, I draw a border. All this border is known as circumference. So what is definition? The distance around a circle. The distance around a circle is known as a circumference. Friends, chord. What is the chord? A line segment joined any two points of the circle. This is the point M and this is the point N. M and both are on the circle. If I draw line segment MN, then line segment MN is a chord of the circle. Like this, C is on the circle and point B is also on the circle. Point B and C. If I join point B and C, then it became line segment BC. BC is also a chord of circle, but this chord is passing from center. So it is biggest chord of the circle and then it is known as diameter. What is the definition of diameter? A chord of a circle that passes through a center of the circle is called a diameter of the circle. Other definition of diameter is a biggest chord. The biggest chord of the circle is known as diameter. This is known as chord or chord. There are two definitions of diameter. One definition is a chord which it passes through a center. It is known as diameter of a circle, and the biggest chord of the circle is also known as the diameter of a circle. Now friends, interior and arcs, any part, suppose this is CE is a part, and I draw M Y. Friends, CE, this is the part of circle. So EE is known as the arcs of circle. Short, an arc is the part of circle. Take like this part is also known as arc. Friends, an arc is the part of the circle. Now, interior and the exterior of a circle. Friends, you can see in this figure, some points are in the circle, some points are on the circle, and some points are out of circle. So friends, you can see point P and point O. These 2 points are in the circle. So it is interior of the circle. And friends, you can see here point M, C, Y, E, X, F, A, B, N, all are on the circle. So all these points are on the circle, and points R is outside of the circle. So points R is the exterior of a circle. Now sector and segment. So in this figure, this part, you can see this part is sector. So friends, what is the definition of sector? The union of two radius and an arc. Union of two radius and arc is known as sector. And segment. So what is the definition of segment according to this figure? According to this figure, friends, the segment is the union of arcs and chord. Chord और arcs, इस दोनों का जो यूनियन होता है, मीन्स टोटल एरिया, इट इज नॉन एज सेगमेंट. एंड द टोटल एरिया is enclosed by two radius and sector, then it is known a sector. Friends, here a definition: a region in the interior of the circle which is enclosed by an arc and two radius. An arc and two radius of the circle is called a sector of the circle. Friends, segment: a region in the interior of a circle which enclosed by an arc, chord and arc is called a segment of the circle. So friends, today we study about the fundamental of the circle In this fundamental we study about circle, radius, circumference, chord, diameter, arcs, interior and exterior of a circle, sector and segment. Friends, according to this fundamental, the exercise 4.6 is we can do easily. If we study fundamental, then we can do exercise easily. Next exercise 4.6 I will teach you in next period, but it is very important. Fundamental is very important about exercise 4.6. I hope that you will learn all these fundamental. जय स्वामीनारायण.